Tower Suites Parlor Suite. And it's always wonderful to be here. This is the guest bathroom. Check out the sink. I love Wynn sinks. And then we go through this way. Look at that. Wow. This is the parlor 1-bedroom suite. And it has a super phenomenal view of the Sphere. Look at that. And it's such a nice room. These are obviously, or not obviously, these rooms were renovated just within the last year, which is absolutely fantastical. What a great suite. And now we're walking into the bedroom. See the 4-poster bed, lovely bedroom. I happen to like the design. I think the new Wynn, ooh, look, we are like right at the Sphere. So cool. I happen to think the rooms are rather masculine, and I happen to like this look a lot. Always all of the details and touches are exquisite. I also always love this suite because it's just the perfect size. It's got a lovely tub with jets, a gigantic shower. There are your 2 bathrobes. And I also like this closet a lot. It's very, very well designed. So you can put all of your stuff here, big safe, and then you swing around, and it has his and her sinks. A lot of people, well, not a lot of people, but some people criticize this whole shelving area thing. But I sort of like it. I actually like this design a lot. I also did like the old parlor suites. So this is Wynn Tower Suites, and it is a parlor suite. And that's pretty much so the story. You will also notice Wynn has some of the best ashtrays in the business. Incredible cigar ashtrays. Lovely books and magazines. I also like this box a lot. It's super cool. I don't know if I can open it with one hand. There we go. Look at that. It's a little box to put things. I haven't been able to figure out these rocks yet. They're sort of decorative. And look what you have over here. You have another little box. And of course you have that quirky view of the Sphere right behind you from the living room. So anyway, this is a lovely, lovely Wynn Parlor Suite, Tower Suites. And you'll notice they're now advertising 0 bond. So thank you and have a great day. And as always, one of my favorite places in the world that I always feel home and enjoy is Wynn Tower Suites at Wynn Las Vegas.